Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Fitbit Charge 6, the latest addition to the Fitbit family. Let's see if this fitness tracker lives up to the hype. First impressions matter, and the Fitbit Charge 6 doesn't disappoint. Its sleek design and comfortable fit make it a winner right out of the box. Now, let's talk about the design and screen. The Charge 6 features a 1.04-inch AMOLED display, which is bright, detailed, and even offers an always-on option. Plus, the return of the side button adds a satisfying tactile feel to navigation. While the design hasn't seen much change from its predecessor, the Charge 6 maintains its reputation for being lightweight and comfortable to wear, making it suitable for all-day wear. One of the standout features of the Charge 6 is its integration with Google services, including Google Wallet, Maps, and YouTube Music. These additions enhance the overall user experience and provide a taste of the smartwatch-style functionality. Now, let's talk about fitness and health tracking. The Charge 6 excels in daily activity tracking, accurately monitoring steps, calorie burn, and even automatically tracking workouts. However, its standalone GPS tracking falls short, with unreliable performance reported by users. While the heart rate monitoring is decent for casual use, it may not meet the needs of more serious athletes. Nevertheless, the Charge 6 shines in health tracking, delivering reliable metrics for breathing rate, heart rate variability, skin temperature, and more. Finally, let's talk battery life. The Fitbit Charge 6 promises up to 7 days of use on a single charge, with the option for an always-on display reducing this slightly. While the charging time isn't the fastest, it's a minor inconvenience considering the overall performance. In conclusion, the Fitbit Charge 6 solidifies Fitbit's position as a leader in the fitness tracker market. With its sleek design, Google integrations, and comprehensive health tracking features, it's a top choice for those seeking an all-in-one solution. That wraps up our review of the Fitbit Charge 6. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product critiques. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.